where we are Majestic Love. Today we are at Isla Flamenco. This is where the Panama sign is, and we are trying to film our intro for our YouTube channel. Yeah, we're just, the sun is going down, right babe? So we are looking for somewhere nice we can make the filming. Yeah, it's some good waters. And we saw a raccoon, y'all. We saw a raccoon. I wonder if those are the ships in line though. No. Are those the ships in line? The sun is leaving. Only one ship at a time. As you guys can see, the sun went down and we are trying to film a video. Hello. So, and guys, I'm feeling a little nasal. I hope I know the coronavirus because a girl's got stuff to do. But I just woke up and my nose just feel burning and anyways guys, we are heading out now. Let's go back, babe. Find a spot where we can film. It's closed though. How you feel, baby?
Feel great.
Panama.
Fucking Panama, right?
Minutes in a car.
35 minutes of drive.
We finally make it through the Panama sign, and we have to like get our filming done before night falls. So yes. Baby, stop looking at me like that.
Excuse
guys,
me.
we're trying to film, trying to get a setup so that we can film by the Panama sign here. Proving to be a little difficult because we can't find anywhere to plop the camera on, which is, babe, how about here? No matter, we do anything for the heck of it. Let me see, that's cute. Put it right there so I see what it looks like.
I don't have a reason to cry, and I have every reason to smile, and I don't have a reason to lie when you already reading my mind, and I don't.
We plopped it on a trash can just for the gram, just for us. Oh yeah, look at all them birds. Them birds. Bark, 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 bark. What are we to do now, babes? Eat?
Should I feed the birds?
You wanted us to eat a nice, but we're not enough to feed them. Suppose then all of them come down for we. Oh God, we care about it. Huh?
It's true.
Let birds do what birds do. Bark, 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 bark. OMG, look at them.
Seabird.
There are plenty.
I have a reason to be if I can't be with you. And I don't need air in my lungs if I can't sing your song. No, I don't need hands if I don't get to keep you warm, and I don't really need myself if I don't need you. 'Cause darling, I wake up just to sleep with you. I open my eyes.
This is so exciting and fun. We are thrilled to be here. I'm gonna miss this one when we go back in about how many days? Still have 3 more days.
So I can see with you, and I live so I can.
Yeah, food time now, guys. See y'all later. Guys, today we are sealing our initials into a palm tree in Panama. Like the other people did right here. Should I have a palm tree?
Cause darling, I wake up just to sleep with you.
I wonder if it's a violation.
I open my eyes so I can see with you. And I live so I can I live so I can die with you.
Maybe one day when we're married, we'll come back to and be reminded we can maybe carry our children here on vacation and show them what daddy and mommy do. Guys, look at the ships waiting to go into the canal. See? It's a waiting game. Wow, can I do? Let me see. You see that, guys? K loves. Why you have to be K love C and not C love K? What is? Let me go and do something. No, sir, babe. But what is? Babe, me can't do it. Huh?
Easy.
At least me do that part there. I carried on the hard feel. That's enough. Remember this spot right by Flamenco dry stack. So if you guys are ever in Panama, make sure to visit our tree, Flamenco dry stack. Okay, what roundabout? Yeah, but yeah, guys. Beautiful. Love it.